best course about how to make sales.
Totally excited and it works.
So I've made millions of dollars in affiliate marketing, and I got my start promoting high-ticket affiliate programs that paid me up to $33,000 for a single commission. And I'm going to show you some high-ticket affiliate programs that you can start and earn massive commissions with in this training. So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how you can sign up for these programs right here on my computer. Check it out. So I had my first successes in affiliate marketing with high-ticket affiliate programs where I was making up to $33,000 in a single commission. This is back in 2013. So what you want to know is the acronym HTAP, okay? High-ticket affiliate programs. You can make as much as $2,000 to $33,000 for a single commission. For a single click on your affiliate link, you can make as much as $33,000. Now, I'm going to show you a few different programs where you can make this big money from. I'm going to walk you through 4 different programs. I'm going to walk you through a program where you can make $2,000, $3,000, $8,000, and even $33,000 in a single click, a single sale. Now, just a note, disclaimer here is that promoting high-ticket affiliate programs is really for more advanced marketers. Not many people do know about high-ticket affiliate programs, but the fact of the matter is I am a huge advocate for high-ticket affiliate programs because being able to make your entire monthly income in one sale will completely change your life, and it changed mine back in 2013 when I first started promoting in this niche, which I'll go over in just a second here. So the first one I'm going to go over is in the e-commerce niche, and we're going to go on my computer in just a second here, okay? And I'll show you these exact affiliate programs. The 2 programs I'm going to talk about that pay $3,000 and $8,000 commissions are in the business opportunity space, okay? It's called the BizOp space. And the last affiliate program I'm going to show you is in the investment space, okay? Investment. And this is where I got my start. This is where I made my first $1 million online. And this is a really good one to get into. So let's go over to my computer and I will walk you through some of these affiliate programs. Now, last year I did about $3.4 million and I focus on the business opportunity space because that's the space I know the best and it's most around marketing. So the first affiliate program I want to show you is in the e-commerce space and it's Shopify. Shopify is website software that helps people build online stores for e-commerce stores. So if you're teaching people how to start an e-commerce website or if you're teaching people how to drop ship, for instance, Shopify is a great affiliate program to be a part of. Now, as you can see, if we look down here, it says you can earn an average of $58 for each user who signs up for your link and $2,000 for each plus referral. So you can make $2,000 if you get people to go into their what is called their plus program. Now, I don't know too many specifics about this because this is not my area of focus. I don't drop ship, I don't do e-commerce, but this is a very popular affiliate program. I have friends who've earned millions of dollars as a Shopify partner recommending other people start stores with Shopify. So that's a great solution if you're really pushing people into drop shipping. Okay, now another one is called Six Figure Mentors. So Six Figure Mentors is in the second category I mentioned, which is called business opportunity. And for people that are looking to start an online business, you can learn more specific advice of how to do that with something like Six Figure Mentors. So Six Figure Mentors has a whole video training program and they have all the information and the systems you need. They help you set up websites and everything else that's necessary to help you get your start with your first profitable internet business. Now, as you'll see over here, you'll see their actual commission structures for each of their programs. And you'll see they have programs that cost up to $20,000 And I don't totally understand all the commissions here, but basically you can get, something like $3,000 commission for referring people into their higher level programs, silver, gold, platinum, or black. If you can help refer people to start their business and work with the six-figure mentor coaches, and if people go through, go to their events and all that jazz, you can earn up to $3,000 in a commission payment. Again, this is not for the newbie marketer. Not every marketer is going to know how to reach a high ticket audience, people who have this sort of disposable income. But again, there's 7 billion people on the world, and you don't need these markets. Each of these markets is much bigger than you'd ever imagine. If you just are like a sniper and you target it, you can do extremely well. So this next company I'm going to talk about is called Entre Institute, and it's also in the business opportunity space, helping people start their very first businesses. Now, Entre Institute is a new company, but it's run by an industry veteran, and they pay up to $8,000 commissions for a single sale. Here I am in the Entre Institute affiliate group on Facebook, and you'll see people are making, $1,500 commission, $750 commission, $1,500 commission, $8,000 commission, $7,500 commission, etc. So you'll see there's tons of commissions being paid out. And if you know how to, again, target your traffic right, you can make huge money purely by doing stuff online. Now, this last program is in the investment niche. And this program I've personally made commissions of above $30,000, $33,000 to be exact, is the amount of commission I made in a single day with this company. And what you'll see is, commissions, they've paid out over $7 million in commissions to affiliates, and the company's only been around a few years. So a lot of money gets paid out to affiliates, and you'll see affiliates are earning, $40,000 a month, $100,000 a month, etc. So it's a big niche. Basically, how it works is you get 3% of the amount of money that people invest with the companies in this affiliate network. So if somebody invests $1 million, you will earn $30,000. If somebody invests $1.1 million, you will make $33,000. Now, you're not going to make this sort of money marketing to your friends in college. The only way you can make this sort of money is if you market to people who have millions of dollars in their 401ks, which is millions upon millions of people, actually. So there's millions of people that have millions of dollars, and you would have to market specifically to them. Now, again, I said this is an advanced program, but what I did to get started in this niche was I actually just started putting up blog posts, of competitors. So I put up, Rosalind Capital Reviewed. And I would put up a blog post, and the only people that would search for Rosalind Capital or a review of Rosalind Capital were people who were interested in moving around their money into another self-directed IRA. So I really got specific, and I started just putting up blog posts reviewing each of the companies in the investment niche. And what happened is I got some of my sites ranking at the top of Google. I also placed ads so I could just get to the top instantly. And I would talk about that website, and I'd say, okay, here's my thoughts on Rosalind Capital. I'd review it for its merits, and I'd say, I actually recommend this other company. And I'd put a link at the bottom to the company I recommended. Most of the time, people would end up actually deciding to invest with the company I recommended on my blog rather than Rosalind Capital after they read my review. So the point being is that you can make huge money. You just need to target the niche. You need to know what you're doing. But if you go targeted, you can make huge amounts of money from a high-ticket affiliate program. My best month marketing high-ticket affiliate products was $75,000. And currently, right now, I'm earning over $600,000 with affiliate marketing. Now, if you're interested in learning about how I do what I do, which is online marketing, you can subscribe to my channel, and you'll get access to a free course about affiliate marketing where you'll be able to go through the steps and learn a little bit more. Now, I'd love it if you could leave a comment of what your thoughts on this video are and what would you like me to teach you about next as well. And give it a big like if you enjoyed learning about this weird area of affiliate marketing called high-ticket affiliate programs. Thanks for watching.